bought this house and we made a big mistake. And I'm gonna share with you the mistake we made and how much it's gonna cost us. And I'm also gonna share with you how you can avoid these mistakes. Don't do what we just did to this house, because it can cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. So watch this video until the end and I will help you avoid the same mistake that we made.
This is KP.
And this is Genoj J.
The real estate gurus. The real estate gurus. The real estate gurus. Hold up. Let me tell you how we messed up. Not a little bit. We messed up bigly, like our ex-president would say. Man, tell them what we did.
Man, this house here, we gonna get right into it. We bought this house with the idea of doing a second story addition. We was gonna take that roof off and add a whole nother level. We had planned on doing about 3,000 square feet. We was gonna have a basement. It was gonna be the biggest, nicest house on the whole Beltline, because across the street is the Beltline. We're not by the Beltline. We're not walking distance from the Beltline. We are actually on the Beltline. But our mistake was we didn't check the tax records to see what the new setbacks were. We just assumed the setbacks were 20 based on every other house on this street. So when you look down this street and do a straight line, all the houses are lined up. So we just assumed that the houses were already in the setback, but you know what they say about assume, and we'll just leave it at that. We still have options. It's just not the options we thought we were gonna have. One option is to go through a variance. Variance can be a headache. The variance can take 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 10 months. And given the situation with COVID and people not actually working, we don't want to go through a variance because it could take too long to go through a variance. And after you go through the variance, you still have to submit the plans for permitting. So I don't want to be going through a variance for several months and then have several months of permitting, and then it's June 2022 and we still haven't built this house. We can keep it as a rental, or we can just sell it. Good news is we have enough equity in it to sell it to another investor that just want to renovate it as is or keep it as a rental. What else you want to chime in on, man?
And I'm just as heartbroken as you when I got that call or that email this morning about that setback situation. And it's just a bad situation, and I want to let everybody watching this video to do your due diligence, no matter if they were giving you 0 days. In that 0 days, which is a couple hours, make sure you look up the setbacks. Because if we would have did that, we could have saved some time, maybe even got it at a lower price. But either way, we stuck with it now, and we're gonna make money on it because that's what we do. So, and make sure you like this video, comment below, and subscribe to this channel. And make sure you like this video, comment below, and subscribe to this channel.